Hello, Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, the Middle Earth Collector, Alpha Price here. Welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the Phial of Galadriel, which she gives to Frodo in the Fellowship of the Ring. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. So I will show you the art box first. And this is what it looks like. And as you can see on the bottom, it says 1:1 scale prop replica. So this would be like life size. And right up on it, very cool. Let's open her up. And just to show you here real quick, it is illuminated, and so you need 3 LR44 batteries. And it also shows it on the box. They must have corrected it for future purchases. So this is all what's in there. You can see the file, the stand, and the top for the topper of the file there. Show you the stand here first. Really cool. Looks like a bunch of branches and all that, all intertwined. You can see on the bottom there, that's where the light shines through. It goes through the file and it illuminates it. Very cool. And the back of it, this is really awesome. Okay, let's get the file here. And so this is what the file looks like. I really don't want to touch the glass because I don't want to get fingerprints on it. So this is what it looks like. Very cool. And be careful, it is glass. That's what it looks like there. So that's what it looks like. There's a piece of rubber that was on the bottom of the topper. So you got to take that off so it can go in. This is very cool. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So let's get some water or some fluid in there and get some batteries in here, and I will show you what it looks like with it turned on. So that's the light when it's turned on. So let's put this on here and this on here. That's what it looks like. We'll put it in the dark and then we'll show you. So here's some close-ups here. I am beyond excited for this. I can't wait to see this in the dark. Wow. Very nice. And this is from Weta Workshop. And I just absolutely love this. This is so nice. Okay, let's put it in the dark and show you what it looks like. I'm going to put some fluid in there first. Here we go. And so this is what it looks like in the dark. Very, very cool. Fairly bright here. I absolutely love this. This is so cool. And just be wary of that topper. It is fairly loose. You do not want to have it fall over, or else you'll have the fluid fall out. Pardon for the graininess. I'm in the dark here. And yeah, no, I absolutely love this. This is so cool. Yeah, very cool. I absolutely love this. This is so cool. And that's the light of Arundel. And I set it up beside my Bilbo. And then Frodo, there's that figurine there. So this is my, kind of like my Hobbit table, coffee table. Very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of this Phial of Galadriel. And like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.